If you want to set up family on iPhone 17e, first we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, you want to tap on your Apple account at the top of the settings. Next, we should be able to find the family option, so just tap over here, and most likely you will find the setup option pretty much straight away, so now just tap on continue. Then over here we can invite others, and also we can create a child account. So let's say I'm gonna tap on invite others over here, and as you can see we have a couple of options. You can send the invitation via airdrop, messages, mail, and so on and so forth. Also you can invite in person as well. You can also tap on more, of course, in order to find other options if they are available on your phone. Once you invite everyone, you can tap on this check in the upper right corner. Keep in mind that you don't have to invite everyone immediately. And if you create the family, once you tap on that check in the upper right corner, then you should be able to go into the family. And here we have all the necessary options and settings that you might want to manage. And if you want to invite more people, here in the upper right corner we have this option that allows us to do so. There we go. And once again we have exactly the same list of options. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.